Welcome back to another video. Today we got an Ace Hardware 6 days only. Well, I guess maybe it's 6 days only just for the free mix and match paint. But it says right here March 20th to 31st. It says our biggest paint sale of the year. Okay. Well, this is just a small ad they have in between ads from Ace Hardware. So don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell, and let's go ahead and get started. Yeah, there's a few tools around on this ad, so we're gonna go over the tools. I got some fertilizer and stuff like that for the garden. We got some grills. It's a nice grill there, smoker. Wow, this gets expensive. Okay, here's the tools. The first ones we have the Helpful Plays $12.99 Milwaukee 10-in-1 multi-bit screwdriver. Let's see if I can get a bigger picture of. Oh, you can't get a bigger picture. Anyways, job site scissors, long nose pliers. What? Yeah, okay. Screwdriver, job site scissors, or long nose pliers. Red Hot Buy. So you got the choice of any of these for $12.99, and they're all Milwaukee, by the way. And then you got the Milwaukee tape measure, safety utility knife, or curved jaw pliers. So you can choose any of these for $9.99. Then up here you got the DeWalt 20 volt max lithium. This is a 20 volt max lithium drill impact. Let's see if I can click on it. Lithium drill driver impact driver combo kit. It includes for $179 is the final price for $50. So you have to sign up for their rewards program. And you'll get this for $179, which is I think it's a great deal. Let me just check here real quick. Wish I could just get more info on this. To listing store only. Yeah. Let's see here. We got a vacuum here for $74.99. It's a Craftsman 4-gallon wet and dry vac. Let's see here. We got a ladder for $69.99. Fiberglass step ladder, $69.99. Type 2, 8 feet. Alright, I'm going to go back to the first page. Yeah, I'm going to go back to the first page. Maybe there's some more at the bottom. Yeah, okay. Sorry guys, I totally skipped this part. Anyways, let's see here. We got the Toro Recycler front wheel drive wheel mower for $309. I guess that's the price. 22-inch deck cuts. 149cc HV valve engine, mulch bag, side discharge. And that's the Toro. That's 21 Recycler high wheel push mower, $269. And then that's the Toro Recycler Persona Pace Mower, 22-inch cutting deck, Bricks Stratton 163cc EXI engine, mulch rear bag, side discharge, self-propelled. We got a little electric string trimmer, edger, for $44.99. So all this is Craftsman, by the way. This is a Craftsman electric string blower back for $44.99. So you can, your choice. And you got the Craftsman 16-inch gas chainsaw for just under $100 with the card. And then you got the Craftsman Deluxe high wheel push mower, $269. So final price is $249.99. So 21-inch cutting deck, brick Stratton, 163cc. Much rear discharge. Okay. So it's basically the same thing, but without the bells and whistles that this one has. You got the Yeti. I don't know if you guys seen these coolers, but apparently you can last about maybe 7 days and still have ice in the chest. So that's what Yeti's advertises. Tundra 45 cooler, $299. Yeti available most states hardware locations. Check your local store. Yeah. Alright, let me see if I can go back. There's probably more on the first page here. Nope, not really. It's the shovel and some garden tools here. Okay. Well, that's it for today. Sorry about the mix, guys. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.